So hey, what's up guys, Kobe19, and today I'm going to show you something weird as well as interesting. This is a finger mouse. Well, let's check it out. So this right here is a finger mouse. With the name itself, it's clear that it's a mouse which can be fit on your finger and you can use it as a mouse to control your PC. So guys, I wanted a new mouse, so I was looking on Amazon for a new mouse, but I was like, this time I want something interesting. I was just bored with these kind of mouse. These are same old optical mouse. So this time I got this thing. This is a finger mouse. So let me just quickly unbox it and show it to you guys. So this thing is very cheap. This thing goes for 300 rupees. And if you want to buy this thing, I have the links down in the description. So let's check it out. As you can see, the packaging is very simple. It's just a cheap cardboard box. I mean, what can you expect for 300 rupees? This is all what you will get. Alright guys, so inside it we have a user manual and a finger mouse. And this 300 rupees cardboard box. Let me just throw this away. Alright guys, so we also have a cheap low grade quality polythene. This is all what you will get in 300 rupees. Let me just throw it away as well. Let me just put this mouse aside and read the instructions. Alright, so the instruction says Gadgets Hero 3D Finger Mouse. Gadgets Hero. Alright, so this thing says that insert the index finger into the elastic ring and adjust your finger position until you feel comfortable and move your finger mouse smoothly. Use the thumb to control the right button, left button and scroll wheel. Wow, such a futuristic thing. We all have used mouse before. We all know what's the right click and the left click and the scrolling wheel. So I was correct. I should not read user manuals. Let me just throw the user manual away. Alright, so here we have this finger mouse. It's little tiny mouse, as you can see, with the optical sensor right over here. Now let me just quickly try it out. Alright, so a long wire, as you can see this. So now I will slide my index finger right into it. Alright, so it's velcro, it's elastic as well. It's kinda cool. So as you can see, it goes like this. It's looking like a laser pointer which we used years back. Boom boom. So now let me just quickly try it out.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so I have the finger mouse right on my index finger and my computer is also on. So let me just quickly connect this USB cable. Boom, there you go. Instant lightning, instant power. Alright. Do we need a mouse pad for this? Wait, let me just adjust it. I think we need a mouse pad for this. I don't even have a mouse pad. Wait, let me just find some alternative.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, so I found this thing. I'm running out of budget, so that's why I didn't purchase the mouse pad. So let me just quickly try this finger mouse. Boom, there you go. I think the scrolling is kinda very good. So let's just try opening Google Chrome. Alright, so as you can see, the double click. As you can see, here we have the two buttons. Alright, so in the middle we have the scrolling wheel. So now let's just try opening Google Chrome. Alright, so no internet connection. What the f? So this thing works well without this mouse pad. Boom, there you go. As you can see, the sliding is kinda very good and comfortable as well. Boom, there you go. I can do everything with this. Alright guys, so I don't know why my PC is making a lot of noise, so that's why you can hear this buzzing sound behind me, so please ignore that. Alright guys, so now let's just check this finger mouse. As you can see, the scrolling feature works pretty well. Yeah, the scrolling feature works pretty well. So now let's just try opening Google Chrome. Alright, so now we have Google Chrome opened. So now I'll just double click to select the entire URL. Nope, it's not working. There you go. As you can see, I did this double click using this mouse. So now what should I search? Let's just type in YouTube. There you go, youtube.com. Let's just watch. Let's just open this thing. Oh wait, the scrolling feature is also working. Wait, as you can see this. I didn't notice it back. There you go, as you can see, the scrolling feature also works. And the mouse is rolling pretty well. There you go. What about the right click? Let me just get to the desktop. Let me just close this thing. So now I will just create a new folder. I'll just right click on it, new folder. Yeah. So I think this thing works pretty well. Let me just refresh it. Yeah. Right click, refresh, right click, refresh. Alright guys, so this finger mouse legitimately works. I don't know that how it works. I mean I didn't expect this thing to work this well. This thing is only for 300 rupees and I think it's a good alternative for your old mouse. Yeah. So it's very small as well. You can just put it in your backpack and you're good to go. This is a big old bulky mouse with an optical sensor right beneath it. And this finger mouse, the little sleek small finger mouse, I think they are kind of like equal. I think this thing works much better than this old dummy thing. Let me just throw it away. So I think that this finger mount does not sucks and you can buy this thing. This thing is very cheap. So that's pretty much it. That stuff was pretty much it for this video. If you guys made it till the end, drop a like to this video if you want to make me more such kind of videos. If you want making me more such kind of videos, hit that red subscribe button. I'll see you soon.